Hey guys, so we've made it to week 4, day 4 of Big Idea 6, which means that next week we will have a big test over everything we've learned the past 4 weeks about simple machines. So, our question is, how does a wheelbarrow make work easier? When two or more simple machines are put together, you get a compound machine. Compound machines can be basic, such as a wheelbarrow or a can opener, or they can be very complex, such as a car. But then, even very complicated mechanical tools can be broken down into several simple machines. Without simple machines, life and work would be much more difficult. Simple and compound machines make our lives better, saving us energy and time. For thousands of years, people have depended on machines. The world would not be the same without them. So over here in our vocabulary, a compound machine is a combination of simple machines used to simplify a task. So you have 3 different things. You were to name the simple machines that make up each compound machine. So first we have a can opener, then we have a pair of scissors, and last we have a wheelbarrow. So with the can opener, we have a wedge, which is the part that would cut, and a lever, which would be the handle. You probably could have said wheel and axle too, where the little cutters, and then they have the center point, they rotate. Also, on the scissors, we have a lever, which is when we move them back and forth. And the wedge would be the scissor part down here that cuts, kind of like a knife. Remember, a knife or an axe is a wedge. And the wheelbarrow, we have a lever, which would be the handles. And then we have wheel and axle. Wheel and axle go together to make one simple machine. On part B, you have an analogy. And an analogy is when you compare two things and you look at that comparison to see another thing that would compare in the same sort of way that are not necessarily the same concept. So here we have simple machine is a compound machine. Well, a compound machine is made of simple machines. So a simple machine is to a compound machine as... Well, it says nail is to screw. No, there's no relationship there that screws are not made of nails. Wheelbarrow is to lever. Well, a lever is not made from wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow is to car. A car is not made of a wheelbarrow. Lever is to scissors. A lever is part of a simple machine in scissors. Okay, scissors would be the compound machine. Lever is the simple machine. Remember, tomorrow you have your quiz. Make sure you look back over days 1, 2, 3, and 4 before you take your quiz. It's not locked, so you can pull up these assignments and look back at them while you're taking the quiz. I will only allow you to take the quiz one time. It's one shot. So whatever you make this one time is what's going to count. So make sure if you want to open up and look back at these days, that you do that. If you need anything, let me know.